We the bros.
How's it going?
Welcome back. Today we are going to be fixing the mound.
Jump thing.
It's not a jump, it's a mound.
It's now a, what would you call this? It's not even a mound.
Anthill.
Yeah.
Very small. But anyway, we're going to be putting some stuff on it and then making it a little bit bigger, and we're going to be jumping it today. This guy's going to be doing it, and I think I'll do it too. So without further ado, we're going to pray for the video and then get right into it. So I think I prayed last video. I think I'll let you. Alright, let's pray.
Alright, let's pray. Dear Lord, I just want to thank you for this day. Thank you for allowing us to come out here and make these videos for you. I just want to say to keep us safe as we build this jump back up and then jump it afterwards, and just keep everyone else safe. Watch the video. Bless them. In your name we pray. Amen.
Amen. Alright, welcome back. So just to explain what he's doing, he's taking off the front lip right here. Well, actually, he's trying to get the dirt to move. Essentially, what we're going to be doing is cutting this bit out and trying to pitch this up here. And then whenever we're done with that, there's a tree right there from Christmas that we're going to be putting there. So that way we can give it more like angle. So I'm going to put you guys in a time lapse while we start working on this, and we'll bring you guys back if there's anything important we need to tell you. But other than that, I think it's pretty much straightforward. We're just going to work and then come back whenever we're ready to jump it. So let me go. Over here so you can actually see.
When you come out of this turn right here, you need to try to hit this straight, not at an angle, but all right, come here and I'll show you. Look, come here and look at the tires. Because basically you need to be over here, one full tire width over to stay on the thing. Because right now you're here and you're over here on the outside edge.
Is that why I'm coming off of it weird?
Yeah, because it's kicking the four-wheeler out at an angle. So what you need to do is you need to come over one full tire width right here on the edge. Y'all need to work on this section right here. Come all the way out to this outside edge as much as possible. over here. And then all you got to do now is start building up this side over here to where you have a slightly, I mean, yes, it's on a curve, but you need to try to build it up from here up to here.
Oh, okay.
So you have more of a platform to be able to turn. I mean, because you basically making a turn. You jumping a hill in a turn.
Yeah. Okay.
So you need to try to straighten it up, because y'all keep going to that side and I keep having to level it out. But it's no different than it was a while ago. It's just packing down, but y'all keep going over further over because you think that's the way you're supposed to. But come over here and go that way, it gives you more of a turn.
Okay.
I mean, my God, you're not jumping into the trees by no means.
No, but I guess when you're going that fast, the illusion of you going faster than what it looks like is the reason why.
It's real, yes.
That's why I'm overcompensating
So
for it.
you need
Okay.
to start building up this section. Like if you can start taking some of this dirt out of this section right here,
Yeah.
and just start piling it up on this side to where it gives you a bigger.
So yeah, as you guys heard from that little talking bit with my dad and Andrew, basically our plan for the next couple of videos, well, on the track, not the next couple of videos in general.
Yeah.
We're gonna be trying to take the Arctic Cat with the bucket that we have right here and fix that back turn back there and the front turn up there at the very front. We're gonna try and do that and turn it into a tabletop. Those videos will be together. The ripping up the turn videos will be together, and then after that we'll try and make a Battle of the Bros backwards. If you guys like the sound of that, comment down below, let us know what you think about it. But basically what it means is we'll be going backwards on the track with the tabletop in the center.
So yeah, what do you think about the new jump, or the bigger jump?
I personally like it. It's definitely, sorry, I got the hiccups. It's definitely gonna be something I gotta get used to, because as you saw with the 250 and the Raptor, I'm so used to taking one angle that it's, you know, it like pops me off. In fact, my feet came off the pegs when I jumped on this one. So I don't know, it'd just be something that we gotta, or that I personally have to get used to doing again. It's like riding a bike. If you put it down for a little bit, you're gonna have to reteach yourself a little bit to get going good again. So what did you think?
Yeah, basically the same thing. It's definitely a lot, well, not a lot, but it's definitely bigger. You can tell.
Yeah.
I'm not the best at jumps. Like, I can jump, but
You definitely
my
are a lot
mechanics,
better than me.
not really. My mechanics in the air are kind of terrible. Like,
that-
I flop down and
That lengthy jump you did a few minutes ago, that's proof by itself.
but
You did good
I
in my
mean,
book.
yeah, I still feel a little rusty, especially on this one. That one, not as much, but this one still scares me.
Yeah. Well,
So,
anyway, that was basically all we had for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy watching. If you did, please be sure to hit the like bucket. Yeah, hit that like bucket. And
that's
then
our new thing. We need to get a like button on a bucket.
spitting bucket.
Yes.
Anyway, please be sure to hit the like bucket down below.
Oh, we can ask Cletus for a like bucket.
I haven't heard from him. Is he doing good?
I think he's alright. I talked to him a few weeks ago.
Okay. Alright, well, as long as you've had conversation with him. Anyway.
Yeah, I'll tell him to get a like bucket.
Perfect. Anyway, please be sure to like, down, check out our links. There's all kinds of stuff. There's a new thing in our channel now. You can go view people that we personally suggest for you guys. We've got people all the way from Pete Hager, Square One Speed, to new people like the Southwest Florida crew. They're super cool. They've been commenting on our videos, so you can see them there as well. But they're all there, so be sure to go check them out.
They're definitely honestly a really good channel. The cinematics and stuff. The videography is great. I mean, honestly, it's some of the best I've seen.
It's really good. So be sure to go check those guys out. And if you go over there and say hey to them, be sure to let them know where you guys came from.
Yeah, that we sent you.
Yeah, just so we can, help other people in the community. But without further ado, we'll catch you guys in the outro. We'll see you guys next time.
Peace.
What's up, Wheeler Bros? I want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has subscribed, and I want to say a huge thank you to your support. It has meant the world to us.
And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. It's free and you can change your mind anytime, plus it helps out the channel.
If you guys want to stay connected with us throughout everything we do, please be sure to go follow our links in the description down below. And yeah. Speaking of description, we have links in our description all the way from parks that you guys have seen on the channel, all the way down to our biggest supporter, Mr. Truett at Skyline Signs. And as always, I'd like to say a huge thank you, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time.